Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to Shopify header. Your logo is one of the most important parts of your store's branding. It's what customers recognize first, and it helps make your storefront look polished and professional. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually edit your storefront. You'll see a live preview of your website on the right, and a sidebar on the left where all your editable sections are listed. Next, click on the header section in the sidebar. It's usually the very first option in most Shopify themes. The header is where your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes your announcement bar are located. Now, look for the setting labeled logo or logo image. Depending on your theme, the name and location might vary a little. In most of Shopify's official free themes, this setting is also available under Theme Settings, so if you don't see it right away, scroll through the options until you find it. Once you've found the logo setting, click Select Image. You can upload your logo from your computer. Or if you've already added it to your Shopify files, you can pick it from there. After uploading, you might see additional options to adjust the size, position, or alignment of your logo. Go ahead and tweak those until it looks perfect. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Then, preview your store to make sure your new logo appears correctly and fits well with your design. And that's it! Your updated logo is now live on your Shopify store's header. It's a small but powerful detail that helps build trust and strengthens your brand identity. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and leave a comment down below if there's another customization feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.